Hey guys, Casey Sangham from Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. We just got a brand new shipment of these Jayco hybrid trailers. This one in particular is the 16 XRB. These things are great for somebody that's got a little bit bigger family, needs a lot of sleeping, but doesn't have a big truck to pull a big trailer. Cool thing about these, very easy to pop out, pop open, and get all of that sleeping area. Pull this down, and then inside, we'll go inside and we'll show you how the rest of this sets up. Come on inside, let's take a look. While we're walking the outside, you still have all of the functionality, all of the advantages of a full hard-sided trailer. You've got the outside speakers, the full awning, and again a hard-sided trailer. You've got beds both on the front and back. We'll take a look inside and see what it looks like. Inside, we've got a little bit of a mess here, but inside, to finish setting this up, it's very easy, very quick. You have your bar here that you can store however you want, but just sets around. It hooks right here, quick and easy. You just push that up and out, and slide this little guy right in there, and you've got your bed, and you're set up to go camping. Again, you get all of that extra room in the trailer because the beds are outside of the trailer essentially. So you get a nice compact, short, easy to pull, very lightweight trailer, but still a lot of sleeping capacity. You've got a full queen size up front and another queen in the back. Another really nice thing about these is even though it is a hard-sided trailer, you still get all of the sounds and smells of camping in a tent. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. Along with both of the queen size mattresses, which are heated, by the way, heated mattresses, so even if it's cold out, you're going to stay nice and warm when you're sleeping. You've got a nice couch area over here. The dinette, of course, is going to fold into another bed. It folds up, but it also uses another bed as well, so plenty of sleeping. Plenty of storage. Nice cabinets up above, nice cubbies up here, plus some cubbies down here, and I believe, yep, you got another kind of hidden cubby back here behind this cushion. Nice place to just kind of stow some extra equipment and goodies. Nice storage down here below the sink. Nice size fridge with the freezer inside of it. You've got an air conditioner up here on the side of the trailer, which is nice because you don't have that extra height above the trailer having it mounted in the side like that. More storage over there. Great kitchen area. 2-burner stove with the sink, microwave up top. And then of course you've got the bathroom. Nice corner shower in this one, nice little toilet there on the side, and your sink inside the bathroom for brushing your teeth. Back here, of course, you've got the other bed. Maybe the kiddos sleep back here. There's another little cubby down there in the bottom, some more shelf up here. Again, plenty of room. Again, these are great little trailers, kind of the best of both worlds of a tent and a trailer. You get all of the sights and sounds and smells of camping outside in a tent, but you get a little bit more security of the hard-sided trailer. Very easy to pull, very easy to set up. If you have any questions, again, my name is Casey Sangham. I would love to show you. So give me a call, 541-953-9171. Talk soon. Thanks.